Fly smarter, not later, the secrets of China's eVTOL boom. What if I told you that the future of air mobility is being written right now? 6 cities, 1 bold plan, and $1 billion opportunity in the low-altitude economy. This isn't just about flying cars, it's about who controls the skies of tomorrow. Stay with me, Skylark, and discover why China's latest eVTOL pilot program might just redefine the game for urban air mobility. Ready to take off? 1. An unmissable opportunity, the new sky frontier. China has officially designated Hefei, Hangzhou, Shenzhen, Suzhou, Chengdu, and Chongqing as pilot cities for its eVTOL program. This is not just a technological test, it's a strategic move to dominate the skies of the low-altitude economy. These cities are now front and center in a race that blends innovation, investment, and infrastructure. Why does this matter to you? Because air mobility isn't a distant dream, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry emerging now. And for businesses, early adoption isn't optional, it's survival. 2. The power of localized airspace. China's new basic airspace classification method, released in December 2023, has redefined airspace into 7 categories. The focus for eVTOL operators: Class G, uncontrolled airspace below 300 meters, perfect for eVTOLs and UAVs. Class W, ultra-low altitude airspace below 120 meters, tailored for urban mobility and drone deliveries. The decentralization of airspace management to local governments below 600 meters has unlocked a goldmine of opportunities. Shenzhen, for example, is leading this charge with 249 operational low-altitude hubs and a vision to add 1,200 more by 2026. This isn't just infrastructure, it's a declaration of intent. 3. A glimpse of the future. On November 13th, Shenzhen inaugurated its first eVTOL tourism test route between Dalmatia and Xiameisha. In just 5 minutes, passengers were transported over mountains and the sea, a journey that would have taken far longer by car. The star of the show? The EHang EH216S, soon to be powered by revolutionary solid-state batteries capable of extending flight duration by up to 90%. These advancements aren't isolated, they're the building blocks of a broader ecosystem. eVTOLs don't just promise efficiency, they signal a shift in urban connectivity, blending technology with economic opportunity. 4. Why this matters globally. The low-altitude economy is the next blue ocean of opportunities, and those who invest now stand to reap unparalleled rewards. China's approach, leveraging advanced air mobility to rewrite its urban landscapes, isn't just ambitious, it's transformative. And as the skies open, the question is, will you be a spectator, or will you take flight with the pioneers? This is Skylark, bringing you closer to the future with every episode of eVTOL Brazil. As Shenzhen proves, the skies are no longer a limit, they're a resource waiting to be harnessed. Vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. But vision with action can change the world. Joel Barker. If you're ready to be part of this change, follow at eVTOL Brazil and stay ahead of the curve. The sky isn't falling, it's rising. Until next time, keep looking up. Don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. Together, let's shape the future of flight.